so make sure you get that tab out and ready. So once you get these screws started, you'll hold it in place.
You can hold.
Nah, just telling my YouTube people how to hook it up. And we'll line this hole up.
I'm helping.
Ah, lost one screw.
I can talk, Nana.
It looks like these back ones are a little bit easier to hook up. You think that looks cool, bud?
Oh, careful.
Be careful, your head is on the brakes.
Yeah. And the brakes are dirty.
Yep. We need, how do you take the brakes off?
You have to get a special brake tool. Okay, is that tab still sticking out up there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we know these are loose, but they're kind of in the area where they go. One thing I noticed after only 1,000 miles, the inside of the rims are really dirty. So I'm gonna get some brake free or brake cleaner and clean the rims if I can clean those rims without wrecking them. Okay, so the only thing it looks like I can line up here is these two corners. I don't have the lip like I did on the front. So I'm looking at these two corners. Make sure they're where I want it. You see there I got to drill a hole. And push this back, because once you get this on, there's no moving it. And then, lots of love. Hope that got it all off.
Yeah, those look nice.
I should have looked to see how far that